AI is scientifically created, a scientific method that has the potential to learn. But the universe, according to the ancient philosophers, is explained through maths and expressed through science and discussed through philosophy, which in itself is the art of conversation. According to these beliefs, our inner universe, which lies in each of us, can be expressed or explained through an intrinsic belief and science. Maybe AI will be the means through which we can come to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our oneness in this world.